Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this 8th day of July 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and it's a trade taken in the room today. Now we're going to do something a little different with this, so it may take a few minutes longer, but I think you'll be excited by it. We're going to use our old friend, the Samurai Day Trading Strong Candle Indicator. If you've been with us any period of time, you know if we get the red arrow pointing down, that's the direction we're going to trade. Just get an order on and let the market pay you. And if you get a green arrow going up, same difference. So as long as there aren't any brick walls in the way, you're good to go. And here we go. You see the first second this candle jumps down. So we just need to wait for it just to push back up a little bit. We'll get our order on at the end of the candle, and we'll show you how this actually works out. So we've noticed that our PVI, we expect the next candle to be anywhere between 50 and 70 ticks long. So we're going to use our ATM that goes for 16s, 31s, and 60s. We de-risk the trade after 16 and then and see what happens. So that's how we're going to do it. We'll put an order on to go short, and we'll wait for a bit of a retrace to occur before we put our order on. It was too fast to put an order on originally. So we just need to pop back up. There we go. Now we're good. If it pushes up further, we'll go ahead and put it on the body of the candle. All right. So there we go. Actually, our stop is exactly where it belongs. That's funny how that worked out. Great. So now we just wait for our first target to get hit. We'll de-risk the trade and we'll stop this periodically. All right. So you notice that the first target got paid and our stop came back to a break-even position. So if the market comes back and takes us out at this level, it means that we've broken even for the entire trade, including the paying of our fees. Now, let's see how we get on from there. Now, if it does, it gives me the opportunity, since my stop is above my entry point, it gives me the opportunity to re-enter the trade if I want. That's what I really love about this particular stop. So we'll get another order ready just in case. Let's see how this goes. I don't want to speed this up too much until we're well and truly into this move. Not unusual for the market to hit the 50 of the day and come back. So highly probable we are going to get stopped out here. We probably would have managed this differently, but I wanted to show you this very quickly. So I get ready to put another order on if we get taken out at break even. If I don't, then I'm not going to worry about it. But it's nice having the market hit our first target and then we just sit around with our feet propped up, not really worried about it too much because we can't lose any money at this point. All we can do is win from that point on. All right, this is going to come back a little bit. It does take us out. We can put a new order on if we want. I only picked up one of my targets here. There we go. All right. Stops where it belongs. And now we start the whole thing over again. Now I can speed it up a bit since we're already in the trade. The stair step, the trend, everything is going short. So we just need to be patient and let it do its thing. All right, first target's out again. Notice the stop comes down to a break-even position, and we're going to start the whole thing over again. This time our second target gets taken out, and we'll see if we can break through this level here and get our third target taken out. Okay, this might go over into the next candle. And we're just going to leave everything run the way it is. Now stop here. Notice we have another strong candle indicator, 2 candles in a row. Can I enter this particular trade? Yes, I can. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to sell off of that. Same thing as before. I've already de-risked my first trade. So now I get the strong candle indicator again. Boom, first target's out again. Now, same thing can happen. If this comes back and takes me out of break even, I have to get another order ready in case that happens. Oh, second time. All right. So my longer target from my first trade's out. All the targets got paid. This one didn't get paid. Now I can re-enter this if it takes me out again. Now it's not going to be a break even. I've made money on both of these. Okay, now I can re-enter. Stop has to go where it belongs. First target's out again. Second target's out. Now we'll see if we can catch a runner down here to the third target. Pretty strong move. Okay, stop. Now we always have to. Now I have the third time now. I've got the third strong candle indicator in a row, and it looks very, very strong at this point. The first, all the targets got paid on the first trade. All the targets are about to get taken out on the second trade, but I got to be careful of this one. This one has went a lot more distance and it used a lot more volume. So whenever that happens, you have to watch out that you're not going to get turned and go around the opposite direction. But can I put another order on this particular target? Yeah, but I need a retrace. It gapped over, so I wouldn't have had a chance to put an order on there. All right, so all targets were hit from the first two, and I haven't even had a chance to get in this because I should have been a cover order on that, but didn't happen. Anyway, those two right there were worth 1,525 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 1,525 US dollars in less than 15 minutes, then come and join us in the live trading room soon at samuraidaytrading.com. Samuraidaytrading.com, and I look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. God bless you and have a great day. We'll see you next time.